Welcome to a brief overview of Arizona's initiative and referendum processes. My name is Martin Mburu. Let us start with basic definitions of initiative and referendum. An initiative in the context of governance is a process that allows citizens to propose new laws or changes to existing ones by collecting signatures and securing a place on the ballot for public vote. Conversely, a referendum will enable citizens to challenge or uphold laws recently passed by the legislature, with the decision made through public vote. Initiatives are proactive, originating from citizens or groups, while referendums are reactive, initiated in response to disagreements with recently elected laws. Both mechanisms enhance direct citizen participation in legislative decision-making. Let us discuss about how initiatives and referendums are created. Initiatives and referendums in Arizona follow distinct creation processes embodying the principles of direct democracy. Initiatives involve citizens or groups proposing new laws or amendments. The process begins with proposal development, submission to the Secretary of State, and then collecting signatures from registered voters. The signatures undergo verification and the initiative is placed on the ballot for public vote if sufficient. Referendums, however, allow citizens to challenge laws passed by the state legislature. The process includes challenging registration, petition circulation to correct signatures, signature verification, and, if successful, placing the referendum on the ballot. Voters then decide whether to uphold or reject the contested law. Both processes highlight the participation nature of Arizona's direct democracy, offering citizens avenues to actively engage in shaping legislation. The specific requirements, such as signature threshold, act as safeguards to ensure a reasonable level of public support for proposed changes. Let's now compare and contrast initiative and referendum. Initiatives and referendums are mechanisms of direct democracy, allowing citizens to participate actively in legislative processes, yet they differ in purpose and origin. An initiative is a proactive process where citizens or groups propose new laws or amendments, initiating changes by collecting signatures and securing a place on their ballot for public vote. Conversely, a referendum is reactive, enabling citizens to challenge laws recently passed by the state legislature, serving as a veto power. Both involve placing proposed laws on the ballot for public vote, emphasizing direct citizen involvement. The fundamental differences lies in their purpose. Initiatives propose new laws, while referendums decide on existing ones. Initiatives originate from citizens or interest groups aiming for specific changes, while referendums stems from disagreements with the recently enacted laws. Initiatives become law when voters approve, bypassing the traditional legislative process, while referendums decide whether to uphold or reject an existing law. In essence, initiatives allow citizens to be proactive architects of legislative change, while referendums provide a reactive means to check and balance the decision made by the state legislature. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for navigating direct democracy landscapes. Let's now discuss pros and cons of each. Initiatives and referendums in Arizona offer advantages and face challenges, influencing the democratic landscape. Initiatives empower citizens, providing a direct mechanism for proposing and enacting laws and enhancing democracy. This proactive approach allows citizens to address issues they feel the legislature has overlooked, serving as a check on legislative power. However, initiatives can be manipulated by well-funded interest groups, potentially promoting laws serving specific agendas. Referendums, conversely, grant citizens a veto power over laws passed by the legislature, ensuring public input in decision-making. They serve as a check on legislative decisions, allowing citizens to challenge and potentially reject laws they disagree with. Despite these advantages, referendums may be misused to challenge laws for reasons beyond their merit, potentially leading to the rejection of beneficial legislation. Additionally, both processes may pose challenges for voters due to the complexity of some proposals and the potential of uninformed decision-making. Let's now discuss how initiatives and referendums support the idea of direct democracy in Arizona. Initiatives and referendums in Arizona align with the principles of direct democracy outlined in the state constitution, emphasizing citizen involvement in the legislative processes. Initiatives, by allowing citizens to propose and enact laws directly, embody the constitutional notion that ultimate authority rests with the people. This aligns with the principle of direct participation, ensuring citizens have direct role in shaping legislation. Similarly, referendums grant citizens a veto power over laws passed by the state legislature, embodying the constitutional belief that people should have the final say on significant legislative decisions. The referendum process actively involves citizens overseeing legislation, contributing to the constitutional principle of checks and balances. Both initiatives and referendums ensure the consent of the governed, reflecting the foundational principle of direct democracy outlined in the Arizona Constitution. These processes allow citizens to actively participate in decision-making, underscoring the constitutional belief that ultimate sovereignty rests with the people. Thank you.